Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone in Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Click on the profile in the top left corner. Go to settings option. And here you can see unblock users option under security and privacy. Click on it. Now tap and hold on the profile of the person that you want to unblock. Then click on the unblock option. So that is how you can unblock someone in Grindr. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.